You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning royal. In French, how do you say royal? This is the masculine version of the word, but the feminine would have an E at the end, but a similar pronunciation. So how do you say royal in French? If you want to learn more French, stay tuned. Royal. Royal. Royal is how you say royal, French pronunciation, royal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.